This is Njambiz Tutorials, and today I will be showing you how to schedule an Instagram post from your Instagram app on your mobile phone. So to do this, navigate obviously to the Instagram profile you want to schedule the post on, and at the top right corner you'll see the menu bar. Tap on that. Then on the menu list, third item, you'll see scheduled content. Select that. Then you'll see you haven't scheduled any content yet. At the bottom, tap on schedule a post. Select your image. Click next. Then I'll put in my caption. So I have my visual, my image, and my caption ready. So I'll go ahead and scroll down. Let me remove that to advanced settings at the bottom of the list. You see at the top I have my caption and image. Scroll down to the bottom. Also post to, then go to advanced settings and tap on that. The very first thing is schedule this post and turn that on. It will give you the option to select the date and time you want that to go up. So I'll select this for tomorrow. You can choose whatever random date you want to schedule your post for. So I'll select it to post tomorrow at maybe 11:20 a.m. and select done. So I've selected my time that I'd prefer that to be posted on. You can always edit that by turning it off and turning it on again. And then I go back. I'll go ahead and tap share. You can see your post is scheduled for Jan 17th, 11:20 a.m. So we'll go back to scheduled posts, go back to this, and go back to the menu bar to ensure that the content has been scheduled, and there it is. You can click on the three dots to be able to either reschedule, to share immediately, to delete, or to edit the post accordingly, should you wish to do so. So that's it. That's how you schedule your Instagram posts from the Instagram app on your mobile phone. I hope this video was informative. If it was, double tap, like, and of course follow this channel to get more tips, tricks, and tutorials on all things social media. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.